Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check when your JioHotstar subscription is going to expire. So this method you can try in your any device like Android smartphone, iPhone, PC, laptop, smart TV. Okay, so for this guys, launch your JioHotstar app and log in with your user account and password. After this guys, go to my spaces section like this and go to help and settings and open the account settings from here, and here you can get to see your active subscription plan. So as you can see guys, in my screen, my next payment was on 17th May 2025. So it means the plan was expire on 17th of May. Okay, from here you can easily able to check out this. So that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.